Welcome to Mr. Bell Kitchen today. First of all, Mr. Bell, I'd like to thank you for all your subscribers, all your viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding, hit that bell, and you are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving and everything. Mr. Bell gonna do something different today. We have some fruit over here. I have some grapes, oranges, green grapes, purple grapes, red grapes, watermelon, and tangerine, and milk and ice and little honey I'll be using. Today, I'll be making a summer smoothie. So let's get started. I'm going to take this top off this blender and everything, and I'm just going to start adding a little ice in there. Just breathe. You can use how many you want, ice or whatever, but this is just going to be little. Put my watermelon in there. This right here is going to be delicious. Put it in there. A couple of these grapes. About a handful. Make it nice and good. Put it in just like that. Little green grapes. Add these little purple grapes with it too. Get some of these tangerines in there. Just like this. Pour a little milk. And now I'm going to add a little honey. This right here is very healthy. About just like that, make it nice and good. I'm going to put the top on. Mash it down, lock it in. And then right now, what I want to do, I'm going to put it on start. Right here, I'm going to put it on power. And I'm going to put it on smoothie. Let that make sense. Okay, now it's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to unplug it. And I'm going to just tilt it, take it off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to test it out. Hold it on here. We're going to taste this together and see how this is and everything. This right here is very delicious. Start your day off. Nice and cool. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Hit the bell. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you.